American Standard Mitsubishi Electric, leaders in advanced cooling and heating technology, introduces the 3D IC sensor. Featured on our PH series wall-mounted units and ceiling recessed indoor units, the 3D IC sensor is a small but remarkable addition to our next-generation HVAC technology. As part of the PH series indoor wall unit, the 3D IC sensor thermally scans the interior space, sweeping from left to right, continuously analyzing the temperature profile of a room to detect cool and warm spots. To achieve this, the 3D IC sensor divides the space into 752 three-dimensional zones, measuring the temperature in each to detect the exact position of heat signatures. By creating a 3D thermal profile of the space, the 3D IC sensor can even determine when a space is occupied or completely empty. When the space is occupied, the 3D IC sensor identifies the heat signatures and directs the indoor unit to apply cool or warm air as needed. This feature may also be customized to direct the unit to deliver cool or warm air towards the heat signature or away from it, ensuring maximum personalized comfort. When the room is empty, the 3D IC sensor will automatically adjust the temperature levels or switch to an energy-saving mode. The 3D IC sensor is just another advancement in American Standard Mitsubishi Electric's cooling and heating technology. For more information about our products featuring the 3D IC sensor, please visit us online at americanstandardair.com. American Standard Mitsubishi Electric. Make yourself comfortable.